Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Matthew, and this is going to be a class for one of those days where you just need to chill out. So grab a bolster if you have one, or a couple blankets if you don't, and then a chair. All right, so we'll start in a standing forward bend, but with the head resting on the chair, forearms resting on a chair. All right, so take your feet about hip width apart, fold forward, put the forearms down, and then rest your head on the chair. Put the head in a position that it feels as if the back of the neck or your cervical spine is still lengthening. Meaning adjust the feet or adjust the prop that you're putting your head on to accomplish that feeling. The feet, push them down evenly. And should feel as if the feet are lengthening from heels towards balls of toes. Outer shins, draw them in. Inner knees, kneecaps, raise them up. Inner thighs, lift but widen slightly apart. Then from there, just start to release the torso. Release the muscles on your face, meaning soften the cheek muscles, jaw muscles, let the eyelids become heavier and close. Let the skin on the bridge of the nose, around the brows soften. And just let the breath deepen. Okay, grab your chair, stand up. All right, then turn. Take a wide stance, so wide-legged standing forward bend, but with head support again. All right, take your legs wide, just like you did in the standing forward bend. Forearms to chair. Rest your head on the chair. Now, as you do these, you can definitely, choose to modify them a little bit differently than I am. Your head can go on a lower support if you have a little more mobility, or higher if you need to. Bottoms of the feet, push them down. Lightly pull them forward or stretch them forward. The outer shins hug in. Knees, kneecaps, lift and firm them. Inner thighs, lift and widen. Rotate the pelvis slightly forward as you lengthen both sides of your waist. And rest your head. Soften your eyes. Great, grab your chair, stand up. And then put your chair off to the side. Grab your blankets or your bolster. Now we'll do down dog with head supported. So lengthwise on your mat, place your blankets right around top edge of mat. Set up for down dog. And then tuck your toes. Push through the hands, straighten the arms, come into downward facing dog. So push through the hands, stretch the arms, hips up and back. And then rest your head on your bolster or blankets. Adjust the prop underneath the head accordingly. As you might need to go higher, you might be able to go lower. So if you need to add or subtract more from your prop, please adjust accordingly. But push your knuckle pads down and forward. Keep lifting the undersides of your arms up. Squeeze the outer arms in as you lengthen the inner arms towards the thumbs, the index knuckles. Push the feet down and slightly forward. Then squeeze the outer shins in, lift the inner knees, inner thighs up and slightly apart. Back of the neck still long. Skin on your face soft. One more breath. Child's pose. adjust the prop. So it's basically just the forehead on the prop. Push through the hands. Basically like you would in downward facing dog. Sit on your heels, eyes closed, palms up in your lap. All right, hopefully that series of just a few forward bends created a little bit more calm, a little bit more of that drawing the senses inward. So thanks for watching, guys. Namaste.